Okay, so we're going to look at the Maps feature in Excel. So what I have here is a data set that includes months, locations, and hires in collections, services to armed forces, and training services. And the reason I put it together this way is because what we're going to do is use this map feature to compare hires in each of these areas in each location. So let's get started. You can click, to get started, you click anywhere in your data set and you go to the Insert tab up here, and you'll see over almost into the middle, you'll see 3D map. And if you click on that drop down, you have an option for Open 3D Maps. The first time you do this, it's going to ask you if you want to add the add-in for maps, and just say yes. It's safe. So I'm going to click on New Tour, and what it's going to do is bring up this globe. Now, one of the things I notice is each of my locations is here, these little blue dots. But we want to make this look a little more, get some more information on here to give us that visual idea of the data. So to do that, I'm going to go here where I hit height, and if I add a field, I'm going to add one of my collections, rows or data, and you can see what happens. The bars are based on the amount of hires in each location. If I add service to armed forces, and I want to add training services. So what this is doing, I can tip this down a little bit. It's got the kind of graph that's a single line, but I want a bar graph. So over here you have different options on graphs you can choose. I particularly like this one. And what it's going to do then is give us the data in a bar graph on a map in each location specified in my data set. Now I think this is great for being able to visually see data for presentation purposes. And there's a lot of neat tools which we can cover in the future. But this here is a short version of the map feature in Excel.